Hey guys, what's up? So, I want to show you my cheap Craigslist 3D printer project. This is a Anet E10 printer, and got this on Craigslist. I made another video about it, how I thought I got scammed. Well, I still kind of got scammed. It was weird, a weird situation, but I originally had bought this head unit right here for 20 bucks. And then the guy, he said he couldn't find the control box. Then he called me about a week later, or probably actually almost 2 weeks later, and said, hey, I found the control box. But at that point I thought I'd been scammed because he never responded to any of my text. So I did get the control box, so it's not a complete scam, I guess, after all. Anet 3D E10. So this is the control box. One of the things, it was actually missing cables though. So, and these cables, this box is different than the newer ones. I'm not sure because they don't have these weird connectors, but. So I got to do some repairs on this thing. I don't even know if it works. I do know the control box fires up, and I'll show you that real quick. So, but out of the box, these things are kind of dangerous. So they don't have a MOSFET transistor in there. So 3D printer error mini temp. So I can't find the stuff. So that's cool. The box actually works, and that means probably most likely the controller board works. But I don't have any cables. I have part of the cables that can do like the lower axis motors and some of the end stops, like these things right here. But I need some extra motor controls, like the extruder up here. This one actually, the hot end actually has the cable, which is weird. I can't figure out why they did this. Like, why did they have partial cables? Part of it's removable, and then some of it's not. I mean, they're connectors, because the newer E10 printers don't actually have this these connectors here. It's just all these braided cables kind of at the bottom. So I don't know what changed or what's different. So I don't know if this is the new style or the old style. So, but so some of the things I want to do for this printer is obviously I want to upgrade, put a MOSFET transistor in here to make it more reliable and more safe. I guess the MOSFET design wasn't really good on the controller board, and it could tend to overheat and possibly catch fire. I'm not sure yet, but so I want to fix that. And then, like I said, I have to make some custom cables. So I bought these over on Amazon, and these are actually going to be for the extruder and motor controller back here. And so I got to make some custom cables and then wire them into the box. And then I'm also missing like end stop. I also got these on Amazon too. These are like the end stops. I mean, it came with the. I just needed the cables. I didn't need the end stops, but it was like less than 10 bucks for it. It came with 3 end stops. I'm not going to use these end stops, but I guess I could if I wanted to. But nah, different size. But yeah, I'll just use the existing ones. But I just needed to find some wires with these connectors, and it was cheaper just to buy this stuff all together than was to try to go to Marvac and crimp them. So I got that going, and so yeah, a couple upgrades I want to do. I want to do some like the tensioners. Like, there's not a really good tensioner on how to see how this belt's really loose up here on the front, on the top here. Yeah, there's no way. I mean, you can tighten it through here, but it's not a really good way. And then also down here, I'm already printing out with my printer bot some extra tensioners for this. But okay, cool. So get this going, man, and see if it works. I also got some Bowden tube here, the PTFE tube. It goes between the extruder and the hot end here. So I have that, so I'm good with that. Looks like there's a broken off filament in there. But, okay guys, this is my first video of this project. I'll just share the upgrades. I mean, like I said, I don't even know if it works, so. I also want to upgrade the firmware on this device too. The controller box, the Marlin. I guess they have some kind of weird proprietary Marlin-ish firmware on there, so I want to go back to more of a standardized Marlin firmware. But yeah, one thing I might do also is add an auto leveling bed sensor. Because right now you can control with the bottom. It's not auto leveling like my printer bot's auto leveling. But I know I'm kind of rambling in this video, but yeah, not bad. I mean, this printer goes. I mean, still right now I was looking online, Amazon and eBay, and they range anywhere from about $280 to $300. So. I got 40 invested in this print right here, and then I have another 20 in these cables to rewire it to make it work. And I mean, if I could get a almost $300 printer for 60 bucks. I mean, that'd be great. I just need something with a bigger build volume. So, but I actually love the printer bot. Printer bot's awesome. So cool.